I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the watch face down on a soft cloth so the bracelet is accessible. This prevents scratches and stabilizes the band. Use a small screwdriver or spring bar tool to expose the clasp pins. You want to see the pin holes clearly. Once done, depress the release lever or push the pin inward to open the clasp. Make sure to keep the tiny parts in a dish. Losing a spring pin stops the repair dead. You now focus on the bracelet length and link security. Identify the removable links. Arrows or screws show direction. Push pins out the arrow way to avoid bending. Once a pin is partially out, use tweezers to pull it free, then remove or add links to align the clasp where it closes comfortably. Because misaligned pins cause gaps, make sure holes line up before reinserting pins. If a screw is tight, hold the link steady and turn slowly to prevent stripping. You finish by reinserting pins or screws and securing them flush with the link edges. For friction pins, tap gently with a small hammer and punch until snug. Once reassembled, snap the clasp closed and cycle it several times to confirm smooth operation and proper alignment. Make sure it locks firmly without wobble. If the clasp feels loose, replace the pin or tighten the screw immediately. This single troubleshooting step prevents accidents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.